Hi, everybody. I've really enjoyed this semester and I'm happy to do my final presentation with y'all. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with the CSS on my website. It's loading on the back end, but not on the front end, so that's a little bit frustrating. So you won't see the whole of how my website is supposed to look. Just imagine that the background is a nice pink to green gradient and that the fonts are a little bit cuter. As you can see, here is my logo, and I have a home, blog, about me, shop, and cart, as well as a search function here in my menu. This is my home page. I decided to have a mission statement here and a embedded soundtrack. And thankfully that works. This does not. I included a little playlist of videos that make me smile. I think eventually, once I start, making videos of my own, this would actually be a place for my content and a link to the blog at the end. Now, the reason why I wanted to create this site is because honestly, I love talking a lot and having just kind of a lifestyle. I say what I want to sort of blog has always been what I've wanted to do. I really like blogging. I don't have anything up quite yet just because of the issues I've been having with the CSS. I haven't been focusing on it. Um, but what was really cool from this class is learning how to work with WordPress. In the very beginning, I said that I didn't like it. I had tried using it with my mother's website that I was designing, and it wouldn't work. But now I feel pretty confident. There are some things I want to fix with this CSS. I think it's an issue on the Divi end. I think I just need an upgraded version. But it was really cool to learn how to do the custom footer. It was really hard, but I felt really proud when I finished it, and I'm glad to have accomplished something in a format that I'm not really used to. And thank you.